Welcome back to another episode of Do It Yourself Complete Mini Importation Training. And in today's segment, we are going to be talking about something special like I always do. If you have taken note of 𝐷𝐼𝐿 Logistics, I don't come here to record video and upload it on a daily basis to get viewers, but for us to learn, right? So this is the question of the day. A student, I would rather call her a student and a customer of mine, asked me that due to the fact that she has been buying from PDD, due to the fact that she just started buying on PDD, so a supplier is claiming that the supplier has shipped that product and she did not get that product. So this has become a very serious issue which I want to address in today's tutorial. So if you are a first timer, if this is your first time of seeing our content here, we are like family. We discuss everything that have to do with mini importation, arbitrage, and how you can make money online. So get to meet me personal. My name is Samuel Joshua and this is 𝐷𝐼𝐿 Logistics. We talk everything that have to do with importation business. So in today's tutorial, make sure you watch this video to the very end. I'm going to be talking about those set of people. I don't know if you are part of them, but I'm going to be talking about the set of people that have stopped buying from PINDOUDOU due to the fact that your experience, maybe you bought an item and the item was not delivered in your warehouse address. You bought an item, the supplier said it has shipped out, it has been shipped out. As a matter of fact, the supplier said he or she has delivered the item, so and the item is nowhere to be found, and you even ask your shipping company, they said they cannot find it, or you fall under the category of the set of people that use the shipping company apps to trace your items, and you buy this item, you bought this item from 1688 and it has not been delivered. This confusion has caused a whole lot of damages to people doing pre-order, and at the end of the day they don't get this item. I'm here to share the light on it today, because if you have bought some items before and it is not delivered, you will claim your item at the end of this video, because I'm going to be showing you the proper setup, the proper procedure to follow to get your item back from PDD, from PINDOUDOU, and from your shipping company. Yes, this is a secret I want to show you. All right, so before we dive into the tutorial properly, please, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Subscribe. It's free to subscribe. And I want you to take note of this. We are now live on TikTok. Please, we need more followers on TikTok. You guys can make this possible again. We want to be going live. We want to be streaming live on TikTok, so you guys will be able to see me directly, ask me questions. We are going to be talking generally on importation business by streaming live on YouTube and on TikTok. So this is what we are going to be doing. We need you guys to come to our TikTok, which is you can search it on TikTok, 𝐷𝐼𝐿 Logistics 1. So follow us immediately, subscribe, so we'll be able to start this live stream. You'll be able to ask questions directly, we'll be able to interact directly. So this is the new community we are trying to create. All right, so please go there now and follow us immediately. All right, without further more ado, let's dive into the tutorial. So you're welcome back. Let's dive into it properly. For those of us who have been falling into the same category of ordering item from PINDOUDOU, which is normally called PDD, and at the end of the day you don't even know the whereabouts, let's look at it properly and let's look what the causes are. All right, now one thing that is sure on this PDD is the fact that when you are buying an item, if you don't instruct your supplier which you are buying the items from to indicate your name, phone number, and your membership code on your parcel, so that when it gets to your shipping company, they will be able to notify that you are the real owner of this item, it will always comes with trouble. Because I get to discover when you are buying items on PDD, they will deliver that item as anonymous. They will not put your name, even the supplier will not put his name. They will just deliver it to that warehouse address, and it will be very difficult for this your China manager warehouse address to know that this item is coming from you, or to know that this item is for you, because they are dealing with different people from different companies. Now, let me show you the practical of what I'm saying, because it happens to me personally. I don't just come here to release video. It's better I do not release video at all than to come here teaching you guys rubbish. You should have known me for that, right? So please, at this point, I need you to follow me on TikTok, and also follow me and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please, I'm begging you guys. And for those who have already returned, if you are a returned subscribers, you are always awesome. Thank you guys for still staying connected. Now let's proceed. So this, let me click on my profile here. You can see that this is my profile now. And if I'm to click on this last icon here, these are some items that I bought of recently, which I find it very difficult. I even fought my this supplier that sold this item for me. Let me go to my inbox to show you our conversation. Now, let me see if I can still get our conversation here. So, okay. Now, this is the item. This is the item that I bought. I now send the tracking number. See what I type in English to this guy. Hello, please, why don't you deliver my item on time? I haven't received this item. Now, I have ordered for this product since I think on the 11th, on the 21st of last month, right? Which is November, and we are presently in December. So I've ordered for it and I've given it enough time for this item to be delivered. But unknowingly for me, they've delivered this item anonymous. They did not even indicate that the item is for me. They did not write my name, they did not do anything. So I was provoked. So this seller is trying to tell me here that this item has been delivered since, and I still now message her the following day again that, guy, what is going on? I did not see this product now. The seller, which is my supplier, have to send me the screenshot. This is the screenshot here. You can see here. He's trying to tell me that this is my tracking number, and where he's pointing this arrow is trying to tell me that this item has been signed for. And once an item has been signed for, that simply means that they've collected the item in the warehouse address that I give to them. They've received it. So that is all what they need. So he's trying to show me that I should go and confirm from my warehouse. Okay. Now he said it is done. You are getting, I don't know what he's trying to say here, but I think he's trying to tell me that this item has been received by my warehouse address. All right. So I now said I'm going to ask for a refund if he did not um deliver this item. So this is what this guy is trying to tell me here, that he did not find it at the carrier station. He's asking me that, don't I get my item, that he has already delivered it. He now sent this to me again, that this was the conversation and this was the tracking number on how this item was delivered. This is the tracking number and the likes. So this now prompted me to save this picture here. So should in case, please don't, make sure you don't skip this part now. Okay, for those of us that have fallen under victim of this same circumstance, please, this is what you are going to do. Just enter your supplier's DM, get the tracking number, something like this picture, save it. All right. Once you save it, you are now going to message your shipping company manager or their agent. You send this picture to them to confirm that they have already sent an item on your name, that this is a tracking number. They should confirm the item for you. And let's head over to what I did now to be able for me to be able to get this item, so my money will not be wasted, because I know that a whole lot of people have fought as a victim for this and they've already give up in buying from PDD. No, it's not like that. Unlike 1688, that they will just once you make a payment, they will deliver it on your name and your even though if you don't tell them. Nigeria and most African countries patronize this website very well. So even though you did not tell them, they know the right thing to do. So they will just write your membership code, your phone number, your name, and put it on the parcel, then deliver it. So automatically they will just added it as your goods, your shipping company. We have some shipping companies that do use websites. So once you log in on their dashboard, you will find it that they've delivered it. But in this case, such does not happen. So this is what I do now. Let me show you my WhatsApp. So this is my agent now, and you can see what I did. I saved that picture, that same picture that I showed you. I sent it. I said, please confirm this item and add it to my goods. All right. Now, this is what I'm trying to do here. I'm claiming this item on my name, so my money will not be wasted. Now, this is what he responded with. He said, tracking number. He sent the tracking number and he said received. He said anonymous goods. Let me change it to your account. I hope that simple definition you'll be able to grab something. He said they sent these goods as anonymous. My name is not written there. They did not even identify, they did not send or indicate anything on my name. So they receive it, but they did not know who is the owner. Not until I have to claim it here. I now send this picture to him. So he now said received. So now he have to go and change it to my own account. So if I'm to log in now on their website, I will see this tracking number. So they've added it to my item. This is just the simple process. Now, I now send them these 3 tracking numbers again that they should help me confirm it. So this is what you are going to be doing to save yourself from this stress. You are going to write it this same format that I use here, copy out all the tracking numbers. Now, let's read carefully what I wrote. Kindly help me confirm this tracking number and add it to my goods. It was shown where I bought it that it has been delivered and signed by you. So automatically now, once they receive it, they will add it to my item. So there's no stress at all. Let's head over to my PDD. So once they add it now, it has automatically been delivered. Now let me click on this 4 item on transit here. Now I want to show you something. Now you can see that these are items that I have bought of recently. If I'm to click on this item now, you will see that it has been delivered and they have not yet added it. You can see it here that it has marked green. This simply means that this item has been delivered and they haven't notified me from my shipping company that this item has been delivered. So to just save yourself, this is just copy this tracking number here, go back to your WhatsApp agent, then paste it to them and let them confirm it. It's as very simple as that. All right. So for you to be able to be keep on buying on PDD, I believe that you've gained 1 or 2 things today. Please, I'm available for procurement, funding of Alipay, mentorship, trainings, and we want you to follow us on TikTok. I want to be going live to show more explanation so you'll be able to ask me questions. So please, you can follow me on TikTok immediately now. And our importation in Yoruba language is also available on TikTok now. You can go ahead and start watching them. So please follow us. Let's make it 1,000 subscribers. So I'll be able to be doing more live videos. So you'll be able to understand and ask questions with me directly on the video chat. All right. So thank you guys for watching this video to the very end. I will see you in my next tutorial.